Speaking of fall, today is the first day of meteorological fall, so happy September. Looking at live right over our downtown Jackson sky cam, quiet conditions. We also have a little bit of a breeze. You can see that flag flapping out there in the distance. The low today is 74, warming up to the low 90s. No rainfall at the airport, and the sunset 724. Right now in Jackson, 84, feeling like the upper 80s. It is a bit humid out there, and those winds coming out of the north right around 13 miles per hour, but I do expect that to decrease through the overnight hours. We do have that frontal boundary stalled across the state. This triggered the showers earlier today, and we have that upper level low just to the south of us, continuing to bring a lot of tropical moisture in the Gulf of Mexico and along the coast. The rain threat is pretty much over for us over here, but we did have some isolated scattered showers earlier today, but not as much coverage as it has been over the past couple of days. Down towards parts of Natchez, looking at around a half to 1 inch, up towards Yazoo to Chula, around 2 inches, and zooming up in the metro. Not everyone got to see the rain today. A few of us stayed on the dry side, just a few isolated spots here and there across parts of the metro. The rain threat is pretty much over. We had 2 isolated spots here in the metro, but that has fizzled out, and I do expect quiet conditions through the overnight hours with temperatures falling into the low 70s. For those that have the day off tomorrow, Labor Day is off to a nice start to sunny clouds for your morning, and then going into the afternoon hours, rain chances not completely ruled out. We will have the chance for a few showers, but especially south of the viewing area, down towards Brookhaven, Macomb, Bassfield, and Natchez, just a few showers, and it looks like there could be a few of us staying on the dry side. So we're calling it hit or miss showers associated with that frontal boundary. Similar story going into your Tuesday, but by midweek, that area of low pressure is going to track in that northwest direction and bring a lot of tropical moisture to us. So we are looking at those rain chances to increase midweek with more coverage across the area. But it's not just us. Many of us across the south dealing with that deep tropical moisture. You could see that here in this red and purple color. So that will increase the rain chances midweek. And then going into late this week into the weekend, we are looking at a little bit of a pattern change. A cool front will head our way. You can see all this blue that's moving across the area. That's drier air. So pleasant weather is on the way in our lows. Could be looking at lows in the 60s over the weekend. As for the highs, temperatures in the low 90s for the next 2 days. Below average into the 80s by Wednesday, and we'll continue to see those 80s going into next weekend. 85 for Sunday, so a nice taste of fall to look forward to after we get past the rain. For tonight, 72, partly cloudy skies, a little bit of a muggy feel. Tomorrow, nice mix of sun and clouds and some showers further south, especially going into the second half of the day. And those temperatures topping off into the low 90s for your Labor Day, and even going into your Tuesday. Rain chances are going to increase for Wednesday and really continue for the rest of the week. But notice those temperatures in the upper 80s and into the weekend. I think we're all looking forward to that. A nice taste of fall. We have the 60s and mid 80s. Scott's excited for that.
I do. I'm ready for it to cool down a little bit more.
I'm excited for fall, and we'll get a taste of fall this weekend.
Looking forward to that. Hey, coming up.